Got his selfie stickies right there. Does it fit up your ass?
So way down deep inside, like a frozen ride, I was sneaking in the tunnel, deep and wide, up to calm your well, maybe. But why do you believe that you don't want me around? Realize the cuts you will always Thank you very much. He's sitting up. Sitting up. I'm gonna miss you next year.
Oh yeah,
Everybody here?
We've got to work this up.
Thanks everybody for coming.
I'll call him that here.
Thanks to everyone who helped, the cooks, the judges, the shop for doing giveaways, everyone. So thanks very much. We've got the trophies. The one that's presented by the Kawasaki Z owners is going to the Z1R Mark II, the black one. And the drum roll. So whoever owns the Z1R, Z1R.
Doug Mortimer.
Tell him to get his big round with his ass and come and get it. So Doug Mortimer won the Kawasaki trophy for the Z1R Mark II. Thanks, man. Congratulations.
Just another thanks to Dave and all his helpers. Top turn today. Good on you, Dave.
Thanks to the band as well. Good music. Good driving.
Thank you.
Okay. The winner of the Japanese, British European American is the Tooradin, which I don't know if it's here. Is the Tooradin here? Okay, it's the Carberry.
Yes.
And he's here because I know it. Michael Excel. You got that 50? Do you want to say something?
Thank you.
Thank you, Dave. It's amazing what $100 can do.
We've got to get your photo. We've got to get your photo with it, so hang around. Okay. The winner of the Tiddler, the lightweight motorcycle, is the Honda CB160. Come on, someone owns it. Right.
Yes.
Jeez. How come it's all my friends? How come it's all my friends winning the trophies?
So like 50 bucks.
Thanks, Brian. That's what Mick Dale said. Okay, and the last one is the best Japanese, and it goes to the jumped it again. Thanks, Peter. Is the Walter Wolf RG500. The RG500.
No one's owning up to it.
No one owning up to the RG500. Okay, well the second one on here is a 504 Rego 4947H.
Yeah, the green one.
The green one over the back. You can take it, mate. It's fine. Jeff Manaford just let me know that they've lost the keys to the Sandcar CV750 Honda. It's on a tag? Yeah, it's a CV750. On a CV750 tag. So if you see a CV750 key lying around,
You've won a bike.
you've won a bike, yeah. Oh, he's got it. Also, there's one other thing. If anyone's lost a pair of sunglasses, they're on me. So either pick them up or thank you very much. Thanks everybody for coming. Fabulous day. Thank the band, cooks, everyone. The shop, much appreciated. Thank you.
And folks, give it up for Dave and all his crew that organise this thing year after year. They do a lot of work, folks. Come on, give it up.